Good morning, ladies and gentlemen participating in the 2020 CCRT. Allow me to present an article entitled Educator Competency and Capacity in the 21st Century Era, or Study of Principal and Teacher Leadership Models National Education Program. Merdeka Belajar. Ladies and gentlemen, the background in the article with the title above is the era of disruption, namely the occurrence of fundamental change in various aspects of human life. This fundamental change has positive and negative impacts. This change must be responded to wisely so that challenges become opportunities and benefits to society both by policymakers and policy implementers. This includes 21st century that student ability to be able to communicate, collaborate, think and reason critically, innovate and be creative by connecting science with the real world or contextual and mastering information technology. And then Society 5.0 that require the use of technology in all aspects of life so that humans' ability to communicate, collaborate, think and reason critically, innovate and be creative will enable human to adapt and survive. The change and challenge of the 21st century and Society 5.0 have an impact of learning crisis and learning loss in Indonesia. Based on program for international student assessment data that on 3 December 2019, the result of the program for international student assessment show that 20% of 15-year-old students were below minimum competency in understanding simple reading or applying basic mathematical concept. And then COVID-19, this was made worse by the COVID-19 outbreak that this learning crisis has resulted in education falling further behind with learning loss and increasing learning gaps between regions and between socioeconomic groups. Problem formulation and research method. Based on the background of the problem as stated in the introduction above, the following problem formulation and research method are presented. Problem formulation. Student ability to be able to communicate, collaborate, think and reason critically, innovate and be creative by connecting science with the real world or contextual and mastering information technology. And research method that in this article we analyze and examine conceptually and connect several concepts related to increasing the competency and capacity of teaching staff in the era of the 21st century and Society 5.0, as well as the leadership role of school principle in making this happen. Ladies and gentlemen, based on the result of the discussion and analysis carried out, the educator competency and capacity development model in the 21st century era, or study of principal and teacher leadership models in the Indonesian National Education Program Merdeka Belajar is as follows. To restore learning, the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology Indonesian Republic launched Merdeka Belajar, the effectiveness of the curriculum in special condition will further strengthen the importance of change the design and implementation strategy of the curriculum in a more comprehensive manner. The direction of curriculum change contained in Merdeka Belajar 15 episode is a curriculum structure that is more flexible, focus of essential material, provide flexibility for teacher to use various teaching tools according to the need and characteristic of student, as well as application, the provide various reference for teacher to continue developing practice teaching independently and share good practice. The independent curriculum framework as follows. Curriculum Merdeka. In order to accelerate change in overcoming the learning crisis and learning loss through the independent learning policy, by implementing a curriculum Merdeka, it needs to be supported by increasing the competence and capacity of educators and the leadership role of school principal. Curriculum Merdeka that learning outcomes per fase and flexible. Listen hours encourage learning that is fun and relevant to student needs and the condition of the educational unit. Focus on essential material so that learning is differ. Providing flexibility for educator and support for teaching tools and training material to develop educational unit uh, curriculum and implement quality learning. More time for competency and character development through group learning in real context, or Pancasila Student Profile Strengthening Project, and priority mutual cooperation with all parties to support the implementation of the curriculum Merdeka. In order to accelerate change in overcoming the learning crisis and learning loss through the independent learning policy by implementing a curriculum Merdeka, it needs to be supported by increasing the competence and capacity of educators, and the leadership role of school principal. Increasing the competence and capacity educators in the 20th century. In the 21st century, that UNESCO International Commission, namely a learning process that relies on implements four pillars of learning: learning to know, learning to do, learning to be, and learning life together. Increasing the competence and capacity of educators in the 21st century based on Republic of Indonesia government regulation number 57 of 2021 concerning national education student. The minimum criteria of educator competency include pedagogical competence, personality competence, social competence, and professional competence. Increasing competence capacity of educator in the 21st century, that regulation of the Director General of Teachers and Educational Personnel number 6565 BGT 2020 concerning competency models in teacher professional development. That one, professional knowledge; two, professional learning practice; and three, professional development. The role of the school principal will be crucial in achieving accelerated change in overcoming the learning crisis and learning loss in Indonesia. The following is a description of the role of the school principal that take on the role of learning leader, enhance teachers' professional skill, and develop leadership opportunities, building school teams, collaboration with the community, and displaying leadership qualities in the school. Leadership of the school principal 21st century era, that regulation of the Minister of Education, Culture, Research, and Technology of the Republic of Indonesia number 47 of 2023 concerning management standard for early childhood education, basic education levels, and secondary education level. That planning educational activities, implementation of educational activities, and supervision of educational activities. Leadership School Principal 21st Century Area, that planning and implementation of educational activities include the following areas: curriculum and learning, educational staff, facilities and infrastructure, and budgeting. Ladies and gentlemen, and then leadership of the school principal 21st century era, that regulation of the Director General of Teachers and Education Personnel number 6565 BGT 2020 concerning competency models in teacher professional development. That school leadership competency model, that one, school development leadership, development of self and others, school management leadership and leadership of learning. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the presentation of the article that I can convey. Hopefully this is useful, and I really hope to receive input, criticism, and suggestion to improve this writing. We apologize for any shortcomings and thank you for your attention. Thank you.